Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Happy Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, especially out there storming Area 51. Oh yeah, have fun, guys, out there. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one at a low cost and fast and free shipping. So we got, what, 98 days till Christmas? I do believe it is coming fast. So you might want to add this to your wish list, so Santa Claus can give this to you. Also for birthdays, housewarming gifts, baby showers. Here we go. Oh boy. What is this? On out. Security floodlights. Alrighty. We got some floodlights coming in this box. Solar motion outdoor yard porch. Not sure where this is coming from, but I'll have the links and all that good stuff corrected at the title once I figure out who sent this. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Nothing. Got some wall mounts. Got some instruction. And a security camera type. Oh, sweet. Alright. Alright. I'm just gonna figure out where I'm gonna install it. All that fun stuff. I'm not sure if it's an app. We got BNT. Solar. Look at those panels. Really nice. But it's a motion light. I don't think it's a camera. I just think it's a motion. I'm gonna try it out and everything. So you got two in the box, I do believe. Yep. We got comes with this little guy. Oh, one of these package kind of fell apart. It's alright though, nothing got damaged. And let's see. Put that over there for now. Here we go. So we got the BNT, solar motion. Look at that. I wonder if it's ready. Now this probably needs to be charged. I don't think there's a switch. Nope, no switch. Alrighty. I think I got a soap. Let's see if this works. Oh. Whoa. Hey, look at that. This is crazy. Dang. See, there's a bottom. Right there. There's a bottom. You just gotta push it. One click does it all. You can tilt it, have it mounted wherever you want to set. I just don't know where I'm gonna set these yet, but this is really cool. Look how bright that is. I gotta clean my desk. Oh boy, there's an alien dude. So we got that. Man, if you're walking at night by these, you definitely go blind. All right. Oof. Almost like a flashlight. Second one. We're investigating alien activity. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Really cool though, BNT. But I don't think I need to really install them now since we got them going. So really cool though. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. So I still gotta find where I'm gonna sit these at. Not sure, but look at that though. See everywhere, dark corners. It's like a light show. Really cool, something different, guys. All you gotta do, click the link down below, see what other goodies they have to offer, add it to your cart, and check out. That is cool. That'll be some good lighting to put. Yeah, that works. Really cool. Oh, sorry about that. Right there. See how bright that is? Boom. Boom. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. And I got a couple more videos coming. See you soon. Alrighty, YouTubers, I'm about to go outside and show you guys where I installed it. It is the IP66 waterproof rating on these solar motion cameras, kind of. Really cool. Easy to install. Took a matter of seconds. I just had to find a spot where to install it. So I put one up for now, and the second one I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna go upstairs, go outside because it's finally dark out, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here's the one. See how bright that is? Pretty crazy right there. Now we're gonna go outside where it's a lot darker. You can see my other lights. And then, boom. Got it off to the side, like so. So it's BNT. Definitely check them out. Look at that. So, oh yeah. Got the house lit up. Thank God for solar. See there, but this one is definitely bright. You can see the walk path right there. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.